Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you the 3 sticker papers we sell in Nana Paper Studio. So for the first one, we have the Glossy waterproof sticker paper. And this one, its finish is glossy. And this is compatible in most inkjet printers and some laser printers. So for the finish, it is a glossy finish. Like that. So the material for this sticker is a vinyl material. So meaning it's not the paper base, the normal paper base sticker paper which you can tear easily. This is a plastic base, vinyl base. So if ever you will print something on it, the water will not seep in through the material because it's plastic. Comparing to the paper base, when the paper base is in contact with water, the water will seep in through the paper and the ink will smudge. Cold laminating your stickers will make your stickers last longer. As we know that inkjet inks are water-soluble inks, so if it is in contact with water, eventually it will fade, or it is used outside where humid and other dirt will be in contact with the sticker, eventually the print will fade. So we advise that if you want to make your stickers last longer, waterproof and scratch proof, we advise you put cold laminate on top. However, if you are just using these stickers for planners, packaging, temporary packaging that eventually will be thrown out, no need for the cold laminate. So this is the glossy. So I'll be moving on with the matte. So this is the matte. So it's the same with the glossy. It's just that the finish is matte. So it's also an inkjet compatible sticker paper. So as we see, it has a dull surface, no shine. Its material is also the same, which is vinyl plastic base, not the paper based one. Okay. So I will show you the sample output of a matte waterproof sticker paper. So this is the matte waterproof sticker paper. So no shine, and it's also vinyl or plastic base. The backing is paper, but the material is vinyl. Yeah. So it's the same if you want to make your sticker last longer. Cold laminating, we advise to put cold laminate on top. It doesn't protect the stickers alone, but it also gives you special effects like this glitter and star. It gives your stickers a personality of its own. Okay, so the last one, this is the basic sticker paper, very basic sticker paper. This is the matte inkjet laser sticker paper yellow back, so it's compatible with inkjet and laser, and it's a paper base sticker paper. So if this one is not waterproof, if you use an inkjet, but if you use a laser printer, the print is waterproof, even though the water will seep in the material, because laser printers, they use heat technology and the ink is powder, so the print is just on top, it's not absorbed on the paper. So when the water will seep in, the design will not budge. But if you use the inkjet printer, as I said, inkjet printers carry dye inks, they are water soluble, so once water soluble will be in contact with water and wet surface, it will smudge, the print will bleed. So for this one, this is the very basic sticker paper. This is paper base. This is good for packaging, planner stickers. This one is a bit cheaper, more cheaper. So I'll show you the sample of the printed, this one. So it's kind of the same with the matte inkjet matte waterproof sticker paper, but just the material is different. This one is paper base, the other one is vinyl. So usually for laptop stickers, like mug wraps, tumbler wraps, the one that will be prone to wet surface or in contact with water or wet surface, bike stickers, car stickers, usually the vinyl is the one that is mostly used. But if for normal packaging, stationaries, planners, this normal sticker paper is okay. This one's cheaper compared to this. So that's it. Here are our three sticker papers that we sell. So again, we suggest that if you want to, since we will be using mostly inkjet printers, it is advised that you put cold laminate on top so that it will last longer and it will give these kinds of effect. Okay, so this is the glossy. This is the glossy, the paper basic matte sticker paper, and the matte waterproof sticker paper. Both are vinyl. This one is paper base. So which one have you tried or would you like to try? So you can shop at our Etsy store, Nana Paper Studio, or you can shop through our website, nanapaperstudio.com, for Singapore buyers. Thank you.